channel. I'm kyrstinmaddox. Okay, so y'all, I'm running so late right now. Like, it is 11:40. The event started at 11 o'clock, but I literally have been doing like so much this morning. Like, I got up around like 9 o'clock and I went to like this stretch zone place because we have a performance later on today, because it is nphc week. nphc, if you don't know, is the National Panhellenic Council, which has like the Divine Line Sorority fraternities in it. And yeah, we have that tonight. And so I don't have any classes today, but today is gonna be like full of like, you know, eventful things on campus and stuff like that. So I just wanted to vlog that to kind of like, you know, get my YouTube channel back up or whatever. But right now I'm about to do my makeup, and that is gonna take some time. So I'm gonna try to hurry up as much as possible as I can. So I'm about to do my makeup, and I don't even know what I'm wearing yet for today. It is the first Fried Chicken Wednesday, so of course, you know, everybody's dressing up and looking cute and stuff like that. And so I gotta figure out what I'm wearing. But I'm finna do my makeup, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I just finished my makeup. It is 12:11, and so I'm about to find me a quick outfit, put that on, figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair. I might keep this middle part, I might not, I really don't know. But next time y'all see me, I will be dressed and on my way to the calf on campus. Okay, y'all, so now I'm dressed. I don't know if I want to wear heels or these dunks, but I might just keep the dunks on because I know that I'm gonna be walking around campus. I might bring the heels with me just in case though. But this is the fit. This is an I Heart Mew New shirt, which is the chapter of my sorority. I'm a Delta. And then I have on this camo skirt. I forgot where it's from. I'm probably gonna link it like somewhere over here or in the bio. And then of course my panda dunks. And just some silver jewelry going on here. And I put my little braids. My claw clip literally broke as I was trying to do like this little hairstyle, like the little feathery look, but I don't know how I'm feeling about it. But I might fix it because it was cute just like 2 seconds ago before I moved, but yeah. But I'm finna head to campus. I'm already late, but hey, rather be fashionably late than show up looking like whatever. So I did not make it to the event. I was late, fashionably late, but I seen my guy Wes. Sir. He's a part of Kappa Fraternity Incorporated, the Kappa chapter at that. But he just took some of my pictures, so I'm gonna insert those later on today on my Instagram. And yeah, got anything to say, Wes?
Alright, follow me on the gram. I am Wes2I.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a crazy year.
And then we have our showcase tonight. I'm gonna get some footage of our performance and their performance and put it on here also, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Here go 2 of the least favorite people on earth.
You might like 2 of them out of 12.
You got anything to say?
Come see us tonight at the showcase. Finna turn up. This is my last one. I'm tired. I'm about 8 in the frat.
Bro. So I'm back in my car right now. I got the to-go plate from Fried Chicken Wednesday. But y'all, it is so hot out here. Like, my dashboard say it's 102 degrees and it feels like it. Like, it is so hot right now. But I'm about to go meet with my chapter advisor to talk about our upcoming event next Monday, and eat my lunch, and then I'm probably gonna go back home. I don't have classes today. My classes are only on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, I have like study plans and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just on my way to my advisor's office to talk about our upcoming event next Monday, and I'm about to eat my lunch and then go back home. This is my last semester here at the University of Southern Mississippi. I will be graduating in December, and I'm very, very, very excited for that. It has been a ride, but overall, when I reflect on my college experience, I have done a lot, and I'm very, very proud of myself. I really do wish I would have documented more of my journey, like on YouTube, but some of my social medias like Instagram and Facebook, it has all my accomplishments on there, and I still have like a lot of memories of to hold or whatever through Instagram. I know, especially because of my highlight. I have everything that I basically did here. But yeah, I'm trying to make it my best semester because it's my last semester. So I'm about to go up here, talk to my advisor, and I'll be right back. See you guys in a second. So right now we're in the Delta house getting ready for our performance. This is what we're wearing. We have the Mighty Munu shirts on with black jeans, black and white shoes. But so far after I had that meeting with my advisor, I just went home and laid down for a second because it was so hot outside. Like it's literally 100 degrees outside. So I went laid down and we just got through going to our run through or whatever before the show. So we just put our clothes on, about to head back to the location where they're having the show. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get some videos of our performance and everybody else's.
find a rash of victims in the wake of the massacre.
Talking that, yeah. I don't like to follow money. I'm sick of the cap. Incorporated.
Okay now.
Founded on an ice cold Tuesday, December 4th, 1906, at Cornell University in Ithaca, New York. Chartered on this campus of the University of Southern Mississippi, November 15th, 1976. Wow! One, six.
And Sorority founded January 13th, 1913.
Say it again.
This chapter will have the top titles of homecoming court for the past 5 years.
Yeah. Okay.
We are the who's who on this campus.
Yeah.
We are MU, NU, MU of Delta, Sigma, Theta. We do service so hard in the books in the yard and strive for something greater. We may not be first, but we know who's the best. So lay your eyes on the prize and forget all the rest. Y'all better step. Come y'all stop.
I like that. I like that.
Brother Mud.
Okay, Jordan.
Well, guys, this is the end of my vlog. We just got done performing. It's very hot. We're about to go back to the adults' house and fellowship with each other. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. If you would like to see more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.